We're in Toronto, Drake's hometown, Canada's New York, and we have bare activities planned. Before I show you this $100 hotel room, I really want to talk about last night, because last night was pretty electric. We're about to do the Chick-fil-A taste test, first time ever.
First time trying Chick-fil-A.
Waffle fries? Oh, they're kind of soggy. Still good though. Ooh. Here's Nigerian chicken.
Nice. Yeah, we got the spicy here.
Yeah, get in there.
Seasoned really well, honestly. It's really good though.
Or spicy. I think I like Popeye's better.
Damn. This Chick-fil-A sauce is really, really good.
It's sweet but savory.
So you go back?
Oh yeah.
It's Friday night. It's our friend Steph Ritzy's birthday, and we're headed to the pre-drink.
Paid him out. And
Yo, tengo Calderón, normal, los bandoleros. Aunque digan que soy un bandolero donde voy, le doy gracias a Dios por hoy estar donde estoy. Y voy a seguir con mi tumbao y con mis ojos colorados, con mi tato activado.
So last minute I decided, hey, I can't let all my friends have fun without me. I have to show up. So I bought a last minute flight from Vancouver, $150 round trip, and now I'm here. And even Samir doesn't know, so let's see.
How you feeling about tonight?
I'm feeling fast and a little furious.
Ustedes conmigo han dado.
Oye, a mí me importa poco lo que se diga de mí. William Landrón y yo somos socios de la avenida. Soy bandolero.
There's a party going on and you're missing it.
Como el Mr. Politiquero, que se robó todo el dinero y lo postularon de nuevo. Como si nada, si fuera cardiodón bomba, nos daban conspiración, la llave bota. Y yo no soy ejemplo, mi respeto al tempo, su único delito fue ten.
Okay, pre-drink was completely electric, and now we're heading to this bar called Isabella, which just declared bankruptcy.
Oh my loving, sweet, sweet loving.
Yo, there's Persian carpets on the wall. That's like
You came running. I'm ready, I'm ready. You'll take it to a deeper love. You give me the feeling that I can't explain. You must have sent from up above. For love, no money. Would I let you go? Would I let you go? Hold me steady, and I already know. I already know.
The whole goal today was to not be hungover, which was semi-achieved, I guess. Okay, but now I want to show you what a $100 a night hotel room looks like in downtown Toronto. You know, big ass bedroom. Let's go. How you doing?
In the light of this moon, my mind keeps searching.
Alright, so how do you stay in one of these buildings? You just have to know someone downtown with a condo. I'm pretty sure most condo buildings have them, but I feel like not a lot of people know about them. But anyways, it makes this trip so insanely budget friendly. $100 a night, right downtown. And it's basically like you're having a sleepover with your homies. You love Toronto?
I love Toronto. I think it kicks the shit out of Montreal.
It is Saturday and we're recording today on a Saturday.
Okay, we're gonna do a little segment called Smash or Pass. Oh. Me and Tash are gonna read off some celebrity names, and you're gonna either say smash or pass. Okay, the first one.
It's already smashed.
Yeah. smash or pass.
He was not great.
Okay, podcast has been absolutely crushed. Now we're going to brunch. So good. So good. And now we got some beers, we got some spike ball, and now we're just doing some Toronto Trinity Bell Park shit.
To reveal the light, days left wondering, am I back here again? The shadow inside, waking your soul. What's mine is lost to time, our home is in the space. The birdie walks the line, just use those wings and rise. Moon mother, open your eyes. Moon mother, this magic's just begun. Moon mother, reach for my heart, so I can feel this.
All right.
Wake up!
All right, much better. Let's absolutely get after it. Leave us here now. How do you feel?
I feel pretty good. I'm tired.
All right, plan. Sweet barbecue on the patio, and then you have to wait and see. Anything you want to add?
No, but we're gonna have fun.
We're gonna have mad fun. Don't worry about it. You okay, Taylor?
We'll deal with them.
How you feeling for tonight?
I feel so ready tonight. I'm gonna show off my singing voice. I don't know if you know, but I'm the voice of our generation. So.
How you feeling for tonight?
Tired, man. But we're gonna push through and we're gonna slay on the mics.
Okay. Barbecue was just absolutely fantastic, and now we're going to karaoke. Ready to sing?
I'm much more of a clapper.
I can kiss away the pain. I will stand by you forever. You can't take my breath away.
All right, we made it through. It's Sunday. We survived Toronto. All right, this is it. We made it to the greatest burrito spot in all of Toronto. But unfortunately, we're always here way too early, so we gotta wait outside like a couple fucking weirdos. But wait till you see how good this Mexican food is. One of the dopest parts about this spot is the hot sauce and salsa bar. All right, guys, what's the official Wilbur review?
Better than en route, that's for sure.
Better than en route?
So glad we didn't listen to your suggestion.
Yeah, they wanted to not go to Wilbur and just stop at a stupid en route on the way back home. All right, that's it. That's Toronto. See you next time.
Sad because I know this is the end of his videos, and then it goes.
I will be your hero.